Hey guys, it's Sam Lover, and so Animal Jam has just made a new app, and they thought I would check it out. So it's a game called AJ Academy. I don't even know right. And I haven't read all the books, but yeah, I only read yeah, I only read 4. Yeah. And this is a game. I don't know if it's really a game, but it's like okay. Okay, so it's like a kind of game of AJ books, Animal Jam books, and in these books have information about the animals. And yeah, the gray ones kind of like this. You have to download them. So you see how those are red? Those aren't red yet. The green ones are red, but yeah. And today I'm gonna try to guess, and yes, guess the information about the animals. So there's a quiz thingy. I'll just download the book thingy. Okay. So in this game thing, I don't even know. I'm gonna try to guess the information about the animals without looking at anything. There's a quiz in this book. And it's this. Take the quiz. And I don't know anything about this, so yeah. But I just want to look at one thing. Are you like a cheetah? If you have a trace below, you have a lot in common with cheetahs. Fast. Cheetahs are incredibly fast sprinters. Do you like to run fast as quickly as you can to get from one place to another? No, I'm kind of a slow runner. Communicative. Cheetahs communicate with each other using purrs, hisses, and even chirps. Can you communicate in different ways? I actually don't know that. Cheetahs are carnivores, which means they only eat meat. Do you think you would not like eating fruits or vegetables? Yes, but please don't judge me. I don't like those things. I mean, fruits are okay for me. I like them, but vegetables, sorry, but I just don't really like them that much. No. For the vegetarian people that are probably watching this, I'm not judging the vegetables. Like, oh my, okay, just never mind. Okay, cheetahs are primarily. Okay, I don't even know anymore. I don't even know. Cheetahs are primarily known for their. And I'm just gonna guess, just like speed or something. Now just or something. Cheetahs will not be able to roar. Male cheetahs will live and hunt together in groups called we'll just do prides. I don't know why. What helps protect a cheetah's eyes from the glare of sunlight? Tear marks? I don't know what that is, but yeah. Cheetahs can cover up to feet to I'm just gonna do that. Okay then. Okay. Try again. Just guess this and this. Okay. I'm just gonna do spots then. What about packs? Wait, you think that's what coalitions. I don't even know. Cheetahs can cover up to this. Oh, come on. Why do you do this to me? Why do you do this to me? Then speed. Blah, blah, blah. Okay. Well, that was Cherry Cheetah. You got all of the questions right. Good job. Redeem the code below on Animal Jam or Play Wild to get a cool prize. I know the prize is gonna be gems. I experienced it. So yeah. Let's just go on to where's AJ? Okay. I'm just gonna go on AJ. Search Cherry Cheetah. Oh, whoops! I just noticed it was Cheery Cheetah and not Cherry Cheetah. Yeah. Come on. Okay. Here we go. What? Okay. Okay. Cherry Cheetah. It's gonna be gems. See? That's gonna be it for today. So yeah, this is only one book. If you want me to do more, just leave a comment down below and please like and subscribe.